know if you can hear right now, but we're in the rainforest. It's raining. Surprise, surprise. This is what the inside of our dining tent looks like. I'm eating some sort of a fried bread thing. It's really good, actually. I think I overdosed. It's been wonderful portion sizes. Small, which is good. You know, gotta keep my girlish figure and whatnot. Anyways, this is the inside of the dining tent. Give you a little tour. It's all in black, I know. I don't know if you could hear the thunder in the background there. You can hear the chefs potentially, and all the porters talking. You can hear me crunching. You can potentially hear the train as well. It was a great day today. I'll talk to you more later.